Today I'm gonna be riding my dirt bike. I'm not gonna be putting on my helmet because it's a lot of work, and so I gotta get my helmet out here. And I built my jump that's in the last video. I built it up quite a bit. Like one time I ramped in and I nosedived a little. That scared me a lot. But otherwise I'm getting good at it. So I'm gonna go show you guys it. And I just washed my dirt bike and I had to put a plastic bag around the air filter, so I have to fix that. Here's my jump. I've got to fix it quick. And if you can't tell, I'm shivering. Pretty steep. I gotta go pee. Only one of my pellet guns could shoot up there. Alrighty, time to ride the dirt bike. Enough talking, let's get to it. Air filter gonna get wet. Seems alright. Hopefully my spark plugs didn't get wet either. This is the first wash it's had in a long time. The daylight, give it a start. Let it warm up for a while. Go is the ditch. This jump is kind of so big that's a little bit sketch, and I don't want to nosedive too bad. So I'm gonna set you up right here. been trying to build a berm, like right here, but I'm gonna videotape some of it. If you can't tell, it's a little slippery. We're gonna do a little bit of target practicing. I got the squirrel right there. I kind of repainted it. And I'm gonna go get my pellet guns and maybe, just maybe, some sparrow hunting. Gun, you kind of have to aim low. It's a Gammo, pretty nice gun. Kind of gotta aim low at it. I'll set you guys up there in a second. I'm gonna take the first shot. Maybe. Missed it. Maybe you don't have to aim low. Maybe you have to aim lower. Take one more shot. Maybe you don't have to aim low. Move, cat. Try this without it. Oh, okay. Maybe you don't have to aim low. I'm gonna sit you guys right up here. Right there. First shot, aiming at the top one. Or actually, aiming at the bottom one. Now, I'm aiming at the top one. Now the bottom. Last shot, and then we'll go hunt. Alrighty, boys, I think we're pretty gosh dang sighted in, and you're about to die because the battery's getting down. Battery's getting low on the GoPro, so I'm going to try and make this quick. Hunting at sparrows and starlings. There are, in fact, a lot of red-winged blackbirds around here, and I try to not shoot those. So I'm just going to walk around here and try to find some. They're everywhere. That one was a grackle, and they're up in that tree. But I'm pretty sure that's a red-winged. Look at them. I'm pretty sure they're red-winged. Yeah, that one is. So the rest of them are. But there are a couple of sparrows. Now there's not. Aren't they all flew away? You're probably thinking, oh, Kason, you're probably talking too much. Yeah, I probably am too. But they're sparrows. They're tiny, and I probably would miss anyways if I shot at one. That's a grackle. Right there. That needs to be killed, but I don't think this gun can reach it. Well, it probably can, and I'll take my shot. But I did shoot at one. I think I might have hit it just a little, but he flew back up there, so I'm gonna go get another pellet. Keep shooting at him, not getting on camera, and having to walk all the way back, so now I'm just gonna put it in my jeans. Recording my missed shots. Ryder versus Coco. Or Pebbles. And Ryder wins. And I suck at hunting, I guess. I can't find them, can't hit them. Oh, there's some right up there, but I bet they'll move when I walk away. Yep. Make me mad. Maybe not. They all just flew away. There's a dead mouse. I don't think any of you wanted to see it, but did. Sunset. I'm not crying. You're crying. I shot at these birds. This is not OSHA approved, and I don't even know what that means. Let's see if I can get you here. Take a guess what I just did. Oh, looks like they want revenge. I think I want revenge. The purpose of this video it is, I might name it Doing Dumb Stuff, because you're just watching me miss birds. God, how dumb do these birds get? I'm gonna set you up. Straight up. Check it down. There's really no point in this video. You're just watching me miss all the birds I shoot at. And this gun might also not be sighted in. And I'm not using that as an excuse either. I seriously, sincerely think that it's not. And I think that might be it for the video. I mean, kind of boring, but it is what it is. I don't know why I can't hit a bird. Maybe I'll get my other pellet gun in my next video that I post. Maybe a couple days. My birthday is in 2 days. Oh, that's a robin. Alright, that's probably it. I'll probably shut off the GoPro, and I'll probably hit a bird. One of these videos I'm going to show you guys my trail cam pics and all the stuff I've shot. But yeah. That's basically it for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'm still trying to get the comments to turn on. So I'll keep trying. Once I do, I'll have you comment what you think I should do. And like, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.